Welcome back to ReviewMobile, your trusted source for the latest and most reliable mobile reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new Nokia 3310 Pro 2025, a surprising blend of nostalgia and modern utility that's turning heads in the tech world. Design and build. Retro looks, modern touch. The Nokia 3310 Pro 2025 pays homage to the legendary original, with its iconic silhouette and ultra-durable frame. However, this updated version features a sleeker form factor, a 2.8-inch QVGA display, and a tactile, backlit keypad. The body is crafted from reinforced polycarbonate, offering impressive resistance to drops and daily wear. Performance and features. Smart enough to surprise. While it's not a full-fledged smartphone, the 3310 Pro 2025 includes a custom lightweight OS with essential smart features. It supports 4G LTE, Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, and even has a basic app store for essentials like WhatsApp, YouTube Lite, and Google Maps. It runs smoothly on a modest Unisoc processor with 512 MB RAM, tailored for efficiency over speed. Battery life. A true powerhouse. Battery life is where the 3310 Pro 2025 shines. With a 2500 mAh removable battery, it delivers up to 7 days of standby and 2 to 3 days of light usage. This makes it a perfect backup phone or a distraction-free primary device. Camera and multimedia. Basic but functional. Equipped with a 5 megapixels rear camera and LED flash, the 3310 Pro offers simple photo and video capabilities. It also includes an FM radio, MP3 player, and expandable storage up to 64 GB, making it surprisingly versatile for media lovers. Final thoughts. A nostalgic choice with modern sense. The Nokia 3310 Pro 2025 isn't for power users, but it's a solid choice for minimalists, travelers, and anyone seeking a reliable secondary phone. Its blend of classic durability and modern essentials make it more than just a novelty. It's a practical, affordable option in today's crowded market. Outro. Subscribe for more on ReviewMobile. Thanks for tuning into ReviewMobile. If you enjoyed this review and want more updates on the latest and most unique mobile releases, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.